Bad credit record. Think you can't buy a house? Government will give you up to 169,000 Rand for your first home, even with bad credit. I'm breaking down First Home Finance 2026, who qualifies, exact amounts and step-by-step process to apply for grant. Stay to the end for the free checklist. What is First Home Finance old FLISP, new name? NHFC rebranded it in 2024. Not a loan, it's a grant. You don't pay it back. Documents checklist, smart card or barcoded ID document, South African citizens only, naturalized foreigners only, barcoded permanent residence permit. Birth certificates or ID documents of financial dependents. Proof of income, payslips for employed. 3 months bank statements reflecting income. Home loan approval letter or title deed or agreement of sale. Who qualifies? 1. SA citizen with ID. 2. First-time buyer. 3. Salary are 3,501 to 22,000 Rand gross per month. Sliding scale examples, salary and subsidy amount. are 14,901 per month to 15,000 Rand and 99 cent per month equals 86,686 Rand, 64 cent subsidy, are 17,001 PM, 17,200 South African Rand, and 99 cents equals 72,199, 28 subsidy. What this means is, the lower the salary the higher the subsidy, and the higher the salary, the lower the subsidy. Comment salary and I'll send you the sliding scale. How to apply? Step 1. Get home loan pre-approval, if applying with a bank. Step 2. Sign an offer to purchase. Step 3. Apply via NHFC, your bank or bond originator application process. Step-by-step instructions for full application. Step 1. Visit https://fhf.nhfc.co.za and register. Step 2. Log in and enter your one-time PIN. Step 3. Click Apply Now. Step 4. Capture all the required information throughout all the applicable sections. Step 5. Upload all the required supporting documents as per the system provided list. Step 6. Click Submit and allow 21 working days for the application to be processed. Full application requires capturing all information and uploading supporting documents. Documents for disbursements. For home loan-backed subsidies only, urban areas letter from the attorneys, confirmation of bond registration or lodgement, or letter from the attorneys confirming that bond and transfer docs have been signed. Building plans, rural areas or municipal land NHBRC registration, building material quotations, contracts, and delivery confirmations. Reminder, First Home Finance is currently closed for new applications. This video is for educational purposes to help you prepare documents for when the next application window opens. Check www.nhfc.co.za for official updates. Our next video topic: do you earn over 22K? Here's how you still buy your first home. See you in the next video.